Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this multicolored mermaid tail nail art. I already applied a peel-off base coat onto my nails, and now I'm applying 2 coats of black nail polish. Of course, I'm letting the first coat to dry before applying another. Then I applied liquid latex around the skin of my nails. Next I'm doing is a gradient, so I have here a cosmetic sponge. Then I'm applying 4 shades of OMG's Northern Lights collection. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Then I'm applying a fast drying top coat. Next step is I'm stamping this design onto my nail. Then let's do the cleanup. After all of that and letting it to dry, I'm applying a thick coat of top coat. Then I'm applying this iridescent stud glitter. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!